Hi guys, my name is Stephanie Farron. I'm the Technology Facilitator at David W. Butler High School, and this quick Tech Talk tutorial is on how to annotate inside of Sora. So first of all, as a general reminder, once you've set up your Sora account in NC EdCloud and Clever, you do not have to keep continuing to go back to Sora that way. You can use the web address if you're on a device like a laptop or desktop, which is soraapp.com/library/CMS. If you're on a Chromebook, well, not a Chromebook, but a iPad or a phone or a Kindle Fire, you can download the app in your Google Play or Android store and then use the Sora app from there and it will stay logged in. If you only have one book open, the book that you have open will be the circle in the middle on the bottom menu bar. If you have multiple books open, the shelf button to the right of that will show you the books that you have open, and you simply click the book to open it. Remember that by default, Sora remembers the last book you open and it auto syncs to the last page you open. There's no need to do anything else. So I'm going to open the book that we're currently reading for school. It's going to remember what page I'm on, and then I can navigate by moving forward and backwards with my mouse or using my screen to do the same. And then it's very similar in annotation as the Kindle. So when you're in a book and you want to highlight something, you simply would click the passage or the word and you can highlight it. Again, Sora will remember the highlights just like Kindle. So if you happen to renew the book or return it, your original highlights will stay there. In fact, your highlights stay with you. So you can always see your highlights even if the book has been returned. You can also click Define and it will pull up the definition online of the book, and you can go into more depth about the particular word if you have questions on it. Again, it has to be connected online to do this, but you can look up the definition. You can also do a few other things with this. So in the top left right hand corner of Sora will be a menu. That menu includes a bookmark that you can bookmark your page on. Again, you don't necessarily need to do that if you're using Sync. You can change your page format from one page view to two page view. You can change your font size. So us older people here, we can click the A and then move up the text scale to adjust our page size. Also on this menu, you can change the lighting of your book. You can also change it from publisher's default to other versions of it if that bothers you or you have a preference, and it will remain like that. You can also customize it if you are preferential about how you like your book to look. So I'm going to switch mine back to defaults. So those are the options right there. And then there's one more I want to draw your attention to. The last two things are the bottom of the screen. It shows you where you are in your book and your progress. I like this particularly in an audiobook. Also in an audiobook, you can speed up or slow down the narration of the author or the narrator. But there's also a search engine. So if you are looking for a particular content in the book that you want to go back to, you can type in the word, and literally Sora, and again this works in Kindle too, will follow up every time the word is mentioned in the book by page number and where it is and location, so you can go back and quickly find those materials. You can also pop out the information to read charts better. So basically anything you can do in a Kindle, you can do inside of Sora as well. So happy reading and annotating. I think this is a good video to show your students if they're reading a book in class or a class novel, or us reading a book study book where we might want to highlight and take notes. Okay, have a great day.